Hey church, God is doing some awesome things at Champion Forest and through Champion Forest worship. And I love how he has been showing us new things and revealing himself to us in new ways. And he's given us a new song. And we've taken time and we made it a priority to write down the songs and talk about the journey we've been on. And today we want to share one of those new songs with you. Darrell, tell them about the song.
So the song is called Here and Now, and it's similar to what's spoken in Isaiah 43, verse 19. See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up. Do you not perceive it? I am making a way in the wilderness and streams in the wasteland.
I love that. God is doing a new thing. Church, we want you to sing along with us, worship with us as we sing together here and now.
Walking through the valley of shadows, trusting every step of the way. You never leave us, faithful to lead us into a brand new day. Resting in your goodness and mercy, carried by your promises. Jesus, we're waiting, anticipating. Spirit, revive us once again. It's happening here, it's happening now. Breakthrough revival pouring out. Freedom is rising, walls breaking down, the kingdom of heaven, here and now, here and now. Joining in the song of the ages, knowing that you've carried us through, changed by your glory, redemption story. Jesus, you're making all things new. It's happening here, it's happening now. Breakthrough revival pouring out. Freedom is rising, walls breaking down.